So, we just did distributive property in our daily opener, right? Well, today we are going to utilize that distributive property when we're doing the area of the rectangles that we did yesterday, okay? So, when we are looking at this formula right here, or this equation, we are going to look at, not now, this 3 right here as our height, okay? So on your notes, when you have that example 1, if you guys want to write this in there, that 3 times 4e plus 5. And underneath that, I would like for you to write height. So you know that the first number in this problem is the height for your rectangle. Now these two numbers after are going to be your width. And if we remember correctly, area equals height times width. But how is that going to work? Because I have 2 widths. What am I going to have to do to the rectangle if I have 2 widths, Darius?
2 widths on top.
I'm going to put the 2 widths on top, right? Very good. So, when I'm going to write this, my height is going to be here, 3. My width, my first width is going to go in that first rectangle, and my second width is going to go in the second rectangle, okay? So here's my first box, my first distribution, and my second box for my second distribution, okay? From here I can solve this to figure out what the area of this rectangle is. All right? So can we go ahead and do that? This is going back to the same thing we did yesterday.
Okay.
So in my first box, what is my width? Oh, sorry. I meant my height. We always do the height times the width. What's my width? 4e. So my area for this rectangle is going to be?
12e.
12e. Good. For my second rectangle?
3 times 5.
3 times 5, because my height is what, Darius?
5.
My width is 5. I have, what does that equal?
15.
15. So when I write my area, those are not like terms, are they?
No.
So can I combine them or no? No. So what am I going to write this as, Kelsey?
12e plus 15.
Plus 15. Very good.
You forgot the e.
Oh, thank you. Awesome job. Okay, let's try the second one now. Imagine, can you tell me what is going to be my height for this one? 4f, good. Remember, my first number is going to be my height. So my height for this rectangle is 4f. Now my width, what is my width going to be? The 5 and the 3f. Good. Now this F has a minus sign in front of it. So, or this F. This 5 has a minus in front of it. So what does that mean that 5 is going to be? A negative. Awesome. -5. Good. So this is my height. This is my width. From here I can solve. Looking at my very first rectangle, my area equals, Haley, what is my height for this rectangle?
3F.
Not 3F, 4F, good. Height is up and down. Brendan, what is my width? 3F. What does that equal, Nick?
Oh, 12.
12F squared. Awesome. Jemiah, what is my height for my second rectangle?
4F.
Rihanna, what is my width for my second rectangle?
-5.
-5. Very good. So now I'm going to multiply that 4 and that -5 together. What am I going to get for the area of this rectangle?
-20F.
-20F. When I'm writing the area for this, do I have like terms? No. So how am I going to write this?
12F squared minus 20F.
And what do I do with my answer?
Box.
Box it.
Box it. Awesome job! You guys are amazing. Okay, now this is where we're going to get kind of confusing. So I have 2 equations in this problem, all right? But I only have 2 boxes here. So what am I going to have to do with those 2 boxes? Am I going to leave them, or do you think I can add more boxes?
I have more boxes.
Add more boxes, right? Very good. So we are still looking at those first 2 numbers for our height, all right? So these first 2 numbers are going to be our height, which means these second 2 numbers are what, Imagine? The width. Very good. So if 2g plus 1 is my height, where are those going to go? Where are those going to go, Nick? They're going to go on the side, right? Good. 2g and 1. And if 3g plus 4 is my width, where is that going to go, Brendan? Where is the 3g plus 4 going to go? On top. Is the 4, I guess it doesn't matter, or does it matter? It does matter. Yep, that they're in order. So where is the 3g going to go? The first one or the second one? First one. Good job. I was trying to trick you, and you didn't fall for it. Okay, great. So from here, I can find the area of all of my squares. Or my rectangles. My apologies. So for my first rectangle, I'm going to put A equals, what is my height? 2g. What's my width? 3g. Good. Which means that my area for this rectangle is 6g squared. Very good. Oh, that's right. Can we finish this one really fast?
Yes.
Finish real fast. Hey, don't get excited. I know. You guys are like, oh, this is too easy for us. But we're going to finish it really fast. because you guys are geniuses at this, so it's perfectly fine. All right, so for this bottom one, what is my height?
1
1.
times 3G.
What do I have?
3G.
3G. Let's move over to this.
2G times 4. 2G times
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on just a hot minute.
4.
A equals what's higher?
Times 4.
AG.
AG. All right.
1 times 4.
1 times 4
4.
4.
equals 4.
No, we're not done with that.
You,
Oh my God.
you have to do your like terms. A equals
8 6G squared plus 3G plus 3G plus 4. Box it. Well, no. Like term.
What do? Combine your like terms.
It's 6. Wait, not a 6.
You guys are rushing me. You're making me nervous.
Oh,
Ugh.
it's AG plus 3G. That's 11G. So the answer is 6G squared plus 11 plus 4.
Plus 11 what?
What?
G. 11G.
I just said that.
Now we do.
Can they be on their own?